Hey, what's up? Um, it's actually let me put my watch back on. It's January 21st, 2026, and today there was a bunch of news. There was some type of news that lasted all day, and then Trump spoke at 7:30. It didn't seem to have a high impact though. Let's see, that would have been yeah. Wait, can I made a little dot on that. What are these dots for? I don't know. Um, okay. I just got out the shower. I've done everything that I have to do for the night. And I think the reason why I got so tired last night is because I took right before I started back testing, I took my magnesium and I had my glasses on and I fell asleep really quick and I was super tired and then I ended up waking up around 2:30 and I didn't really go back into a good sleep until around like 4:30. I was kind of struggling in and out of sleep for a while, and then I ended up going into a good sleep. And I was pretty tired whenever I got to 6, but I mean, I just laid there and rested. Also, my hands are like chronically dry, like to the point where they're cracking and bleeding a little in some places. I'm not sure if I should just put lotion on them or let them be. For tonight, I'm just gonna let them be. I also wanted to shave tonight, but that didn't happen. I meant to do it before my shower, so I'm gonna try and get that done tomorrow. But this was today. I was looking at NQ, and what I wanted to see was it looks like we did what I thought it was gonna do yesterday. But we did exactly what I thought it was gonna do yesterday. Um, but because we didn't do that yesterday, I wanted to see it go lower, and I, I'm assuming right here is whenever I would have entered, but I think it was like too early into market open, and I was like, TS cooked. This looks like it would have been. This looks like it probably would have been like our best entry right here. Um, when was this? I don't even. Is that two? Oh, I guess right here would have been um New York whatever PM session, I think. So around like market kind of died off like real quick, it seemed like, as these are 1 minute candles. But yeah, we saw a lot of movement right here and then it kind of stayed and then big shoot up. But what we saw right whenever market opened, yeah, this would have like literally been on market open. So, um, God, I don't even remember all this. Oh yeah, we saw this high get taken out right before market opened, then we came lower to the downside, and we respected this for value gap. And now that I'm looking at this, I'm a fucking idiot, because this is equilibrium. This is bullish equilibrium. Wait a second. Is it? Yeah. Because from this high to this, let's see, this just needs to get dragged. That's good. It's right there. Because, yeah, from this high to this high, came into. Yeah, we came into bullish equilibrium, and then we respected this fair value. Yeah, we pushed lower, we took this low. Took the low again, filled the inverse this. I think I remember seeing that. Around 55. I stopped looking at the markets around here because I had to go to my next class. Then I was like, TS cooked, but it looks like a good move would have been. We didn't really like. We took out this low. It's like big wick down. We took that out. Then we also took this, and there's like just no real good entry. You know, like we didn't see a retracement until over here, and then it's like we took out these highs already. Are we really expecting to go all the way up here and fill this? I mean, that's what we did. So, yesterday though was 22nd. We made highs. Yeah, we made a little bit of a lower high. I can just get rid of that. And then we come down and we take out this low. Or we make equal lows? Is that what we did? Those are looking real close at least. Come on. Come on, don't be like that. Nah, we didn't. We didn't even take that low. Took that low today though. But I wanted to see us take this low, possibly go for the lows down here. And what ended up happening is we went high, we filled that giant imbalance, and we took these highs first. What I do notice is that market came down super fast here, went up super quick here. So came back down real quick. So maybe this New Day candle, I bet. Yeah, it is. I already filled that like right away. Came down and yeah, probably get filled a little bit more, but who know? I mean, who knows? But there was a bunch of news today. I wasn't gonna take a trade. I wasn't too worried about it. I think I was looking at something on here. It doesn't. I think I just cleared everything. Dang it, yeah. Oh shoot, nope. I was just on the wrong thing. Let's go. It looks like I already backed to this. Why did I save it? I just want to reflect. We have two lows here. Pre-market high. We took pre-market high. We came down, took this low. We didn't take this low. All right. Let's start anew. Let's go down to the 1 minute. Replay. Start new. Random bar. And we're at the very start of the day. Was this? Let's see, October 16th. Let me open up my not this. Um the I really need a favorite. Alright. Yeah, we had WEF annual meetings all day, which is like um attended by central bankers, prime ministers, and financial ministers, trade ministers, and business leaders from over 90 countries. Most meetings are open to the press, and officials usually talk with the press or talk with reporters throughout the day. Comments from central bankers and other influential officials can create significant market volatility. I saw that and I was like, that's cooked. And Trump spoke today. I think tomorrow, there's unemployment claims at 8:30, and then wait a second. Let me shoot. You can't even see. I can't remember if I switched this to New York time or not, so it matches up. We'll see tomorrow. Is Sydney's session even real? I feel like that just spawned in. I remember. Haha. You funny, Trump. What a president. Image, an important zone price feed. BP has worked well this way. Yeah, okay, so let's get to market open. Excuse me. What time? Damn it. Oh, I didn't mean to do that either, but that's alright. We'll just go to this day. I didn't even mean to open up Forex Factory to look at the news today. I meant to open it to look at the freaking news on that day. Okay. Yeah, I knew that was gonna happen. Oh, wait. I put it back more than I wanted, but that's alright. I think I just did. I don't know. I don't know. Hopefully I didn't miss that day. I don't think I did. That would have been like manipulation. Took that high real nice. That looks like you could have got a good trade out of that right there. This looks like a good day. Like you sweep that, and then see what would be our. We see this gets swept. We break structure. Even on the what do we? Nope. What we can see here is that price came quickly down, so we can kind of expect it to go quickly up. And then what happened? Took that liquidity retracement right here, non-equilibrium, fair value gap, filled, respected, and then really target like this high, and then those highs up there would have been insane. Yeah, broke structure right here. Shoot, I just want to delete these. Let's go to today. What I am going to mark is probably this low. See if it's important. I think we're trading on a Monday. Alright, at 29. The 8th. This was my dad's birthday. No news. And then that's my mom's birthday. I thought those were equal lows, but they're not. I'm a little cold, but like not, I guess. I'm stalling. Let's get into it. So, before market opens, we're actually gonna select bar. We're gonna go back to about here. We're gonna look at the 1 hour and check out what's happening. We don't need that. What I do want, I want that low, and I want to set. Alright, one of these is going to be our take profit. One of them. And I might want to see, I'm going to want to, I think. So we're in bullish structure here. That high is right, just took out this high. So, I mean, what I'm expecting to see is that we take this low right away. And then we're going to come and we're going to take this high and we're going to go for this high, and I don't think we're going to take this high. We could, but I don't think so. I for sure think this high and this high are very probable. So we mark it down and up. We are in 1 hour bearish structure. And I think if this goes down super quick and we see a liquidity sweep on like a 15, like if this price just drops, those are like relative equal lows, I think. are pretty close. And then we got another low. We got a lot of liquidity to the downside right there. That looks like it filled a fair value gap. Yeah, it did real nice. Okay. So we are in bearish structure for sure. But on like a bigger time frame, we're bullish. So it looks like, are you seeing any inverses or anything? It looks like we just filled this fair value gap. No, I can give it another hour. It looks like we just filled this fair value gap and we're going to go higher. So what I want to see is if we did respect that fair value gap and we want to go higher, why would we take these lows? But I feel like we need to take something. Almost so. I feel like almost my thought process is going in is if we immediately go high, then we're going to want lows. If we immediately go low, we're going to want highs. But I don't think that's true all the time. I mean, it's definitely not true all the time, but I don't know. I don't know how to tell how to get a daily bias really. Because I feel like with my daily bias, it can change. So I don't want to marry one direction. But then also at the same time, I don't even know what direction it's going to go at all. Like, I don't know which way I want it. But I can just pick between us going higher here and us going lower. But let's use our big brain minds. It looks like we hit equilibrium off of this. We definitely did. We just hit equilibrium here. We just filled this fair value gap. And this is on the 1 hour time frame. So I'm thinking we're gonna go higher. So I wanna see lows get taken. This would be like a London low. And these would be like take profits more. I wouldn't really want to see these swept. I wouldn't even really want price to come down here that bad. I'd more just want to see like us whoosh, woom, and then we take this, we get our confirmation, and we hit the moon. That would be ideal. But I'm thinking we're going bullish into today. And let's 9, 9, 10, 905, 910, 915, 920, 930, 25. Good. Now 9:30. Market open. Alright, we immediately took that low. That's good. And we took that low and then price came right back up. And I think we're gonna... Okay, that's fine. I mean, no... A nice doji, and the upside we don't go. This is still looking like a nice fair value gap. Not fair value gap, liquidity sweep, and I'm starting to change my mind. It looks like we're going lower. It looks like we're going, and we're touching our toes. And, yay. Oh, okay, nice. We took this low. Okay. Get rid of this. we took this low, and I doubt we're going for that one. So let's see if we get. Remember, price came swiftly down here. It's either gonna consolidate, and then after it consolidates, I don't know if it manipulates and then goes right back up, but it does go quickly back up. See, it's only 7, and I'm already like yawning. I still got another 2 hours. I'm gonna be sitting here back testing just about. So I better get used to it. But if this dumps, then I'm gonna be low-key pissed. Okay, for value gap. And let's mark out. There's 2 stacked. I don't care about the stuff going the other way. It doesn't matter. Okay, give me another bar. Nice. Perfect. Now, did that hit equilibrium? No. Filled that fair value gap real nicely. And then, is that enough for me? I want to see a high get. I want to see this high get taken. And if that high gets taken, we're going to long it. Ooh. Okay, wait. Move up and a move down. On the line. I want to see this high now. Move up and a move down. Now I want to see this high. And shoot. Good thing we waited for the confirmation, because we would have been straight wrong right there. We inverse this now. Price is looking very bearish. It looks like it just filled that. Yep. So there's a rally out to the downside. Whoa. I don't know what UPD means. UPD for 10 seconds. Wait, let's try one of these. What's that do? Oh, shoot. Okay. Let's put it on 0.2. Let's go back a little bit too. Alright. I like that. Wait, I like that. That's cool. That looks like a fair value gap that just got respected to the downside. And we want to go up right now. I don't think us going up is out of the question whatsoever. I think we're gonna need to see some confirmation. I'm gonna pause this, so I guess this is giving us like 5 minutes, like hella quick. I guess we'll put this on 0.2. I'm at 0.1. Move up. It looks like we are bullish, but this is also on the 1 minute. I have this for value gap, that for value gap, that we could definitely fill. A move came into equilibrium to the upside on the 5 minute. Broke 1 minute structure to the upside. And it looks like we swept this. Okay, look, I'm seeing something here now. But am I trying to force myself to see something? That's the question. So, what I'm saying is that we swept that liquidity over there. I just deleted that. Then we came and we swept this again. We have equilibrium on the 5-minute that we just tapped into. And we just broke structure to the upside. Honestly, this would be like the earliest that we could get in if we want to long this. But the question is, am I trying to force it or no? Okay, let's see. What's the worst that happens is we lose. And I'm not betting anything. So let's go for it. Yeah, I want to buy. Yeah, I guess off of here. Take profit. Play like safe, I suppose. Stop loss. A little bit lower than that low. Confirm. And then, yeah, I don't know how to make multiple take profits, so I'm just not. And let's see what happens. Let's move this to like 1. Let it develop as time goes. So, and stopped out. Nice. So we made the wrong decision. We came and we took this low. Looks like we're gonna take this low too. Are we gonna take it? I think we will. Yeah, there it goes. It's. I still think it's gonna get. Take this low right here. Come on, I know you want. Yeah, I could tell it wanted it. Yeah, right after that, it's dumping. Alright, so. We didn't even enter into take profits. Did we jump the gun? Did we try and take. What did we do wrong? It's like, I don't even know, man. Cause I'm trying to take the. What really happened here is we just went for those lows. Like, market went down at the beginning and we just kept going down, man. What happened during London session? We came up real high, like pre-market. We made highs here, came up real high pre-market. And it's almost. Nah, man. Nah. I don't know. All right. New day. 15-minute. It always does like one extra, I swear. Um, I'm gonna go put a shirt on real quick. I'm going pee too. Alright, I put some lotion on my hands because they were like real dry. Um, okay, what's going on here? 9 o'clock. Sweet. 9:05, 9:10, 9:15, 9:20. Looks like I got a little bit excited. 9:30. But that's hecka chill, yup. 9:34 to be specific. Ooh. Liquidity sweep. So it looks like on the higher time, on some higher time frame, we're going down. So we can probably expect to take more lows. We just took that low. What day is this? The 21st of August. Was there news? Why do I keep closing out of this? I'm getting invited to stuff this weekend, but I got a back test, yo. I got a back test. There's no time. Shoot, I'm going by years. Take me to August 21st. Yep. We did have. Let's get a new day. Random bar. Come on. Give me something good. 22nd of October. You still can't see this. Sorry. Oh. October 22nd. Alright, sweet. Oh, it looks like we're gonna be going to the 23rd. Nice. We got bail. Oh, I'm just gonna keep it in there. I look, you should have just went to the 1 hour. I'm gonna go to the 1 hour anyway. Probably would have been smarter. Looks like we're thinking harder, not smarter. So, whatever on the 1 hour. Look, you don't. That looks like an obvious low. Right here's an obvious high. Our next obvious high is, I know it's gonna, there it goes, sweet. Right there. Okay. We are bearish. Move down, move up, sweep that. Bearish. Hourly high. Move up and move down. The London high. Tokyo low. Like pre-market. This is like now. Like that doesn't really count. What I want to see here, is that a fair value? No, I don't think so. What I want to see here is us take these two highs and we're gonna go low. Yeah, that's it. Nice, we didn't take that. Even if we do take that, like that's just gonna send price the way we want to go, but I don't want to take that yet because I want that low. I want that low. I want these highs before I take that low. So let's look. This is looking like we're going for those highs. Give me it. Nice. And then I want that other one. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it. Give it. Yeah. All right. Any other highs for us to take? Ooh. It looks like we're taking this one. Come on. There. It's close enough. Are we taking any more? When the market open? 9:30. Are we taking any more? This thing is going to the moon. Holy yo. This is, we're in a nice position now. Alright. These highs are obtainable but pretty high. I don't wanna see them get taken. So I want to get in on this. I want in. I want in. Give me, give me, give me. But what I don't want to happen is we try and get in because we think it's swept liquidity, and then we really start consolidating, and then we get stopped out, and then the consolidation gets manipulated, and then we go lower and we take those lows anyway. Or what happens is we think that price is about to go lower, and then we just stick with this going high, and we get cooked because that seems to be the theme, low key. Low key. Is it? So let's see. Let's give it a give it a candle. Oh, oh. We broke structure to the downside. Nice. Let's see, do we have a 5 minute? Oh my god. That looks awful for us. Awful. I'm seeing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 imbalances right there that we can take. Let's think. I don't know if this imbalance right here is valid because we respected this one. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Let's see. Let's give it. We broke structure to the downside off of this high. Now we also had, or off of this low, I mean. And now we also see inverse fair value gap, liquidity sweep, break a structure, inverse fair value gap. This is all in the 1 minute, but I mean, this is the top of the move. Like, give me this low. We're up here. Stop loss right here. Is 3 to 3 risk reward ratio crazy or nah? Because I mean, this thing quickly came up. It can very easily quickly come down. It can also very easily come into any of this and turn right back around. This could really, really easily be like a 5 minute retracement into this fair value gap. This fair value gap right down there. But does that scare me? No. Are we gonna go for the three out of three? No, we're gonna put this up a little bit because if actually I'd probably just put that right there. Um and then I'm gonna give it one more candle because why not? That's absolutely beautiful. That's exactly what I wanted to see. That's exactly what I wanted to see. Nope. I wanna. I feel like this is insane risk to reward, but I mean, where else are we gonna take profits at? Unless we just take this right here. I feel like maybe is this ballsy? Should we just set that there? I guess. I mean, I'm feeling pretty comfortable with that. That's like, all right. Let's see where this goes. Let's let it print. Let's let it print. And I mean, let's see, right around here, we're gonna see if we were right or if we hit equilibrium. And it's looking like equilibrium. But let's just let it go. Um, so I'm not an expert, but I know this is not good. I know that I mean we have the stop loss to give ourselves a little bit of leeway, but um um even if this hits, like, I was it, but yeah, it's about to get stopped out. And um price did not do what we wanted to do. It's like now we're just waiting for it to stop us out. Yeah. Um so we did just come in and take equilibrium. Um yeah, we filled equilibrium real nice right there. Um um oh, please tell me. God, I knew that was gonna happen. Nope, I have it open this time. Whoa, what's going on here, man? This is looking weird. Looking real weird. A lot of dojis. Um, I don't. Why does it look like this? I mean, they seem to be printing fine. If I just let it play. Like, that's just like a weird candle right there, man. Like, what is that? What's with all the. Yeah, that too. What's with all these dojis? Like, that's not. That's not real. It's not real, dude. That's just like bars that aren't actually there. And what happened right? A little gap. Market closed for 30 seconds or something. Dude. Stop. I don't even know why I just went to random bar. Okay. The 7th on a Friday. Sweet. Dun, 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 dun. Why don't I just do this on the 1 hour? Pretty good question. All right, so I just saw Price hit the ground. Live action. Genuinely, I don't know why. I just got up like a wave of like fucking bored, dude. Um, but that's fine. Just boredom ain't gon' show me where my take profits are. Boredom ain't gonna take the trade for me. Uh, is that a strong draw on liquidity of relative equal lows? I think so. Do, do, do. Low. See, I see this and I'm like, let's go higher. This thing is going to the ground, dude. Price is plummeting. Let's trade with it, not against it. Come on. Come on, man. You know what you want to see. Don't be foolish. We have a high right here. But I haven't been seeing these liquidity sweeps. Every time market opens, we go in the direction and we don't turn back. No liquidity sweeps around here. None. Should we give it one more chance? Do we give it one more chance? Do we give it one more chance? Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Let's see. On this one, is price going to go to the ground right away off market open? Or are we going to come up here? We're going to take and send price lower. This London session high. Because we did just respect that. And we want that low. And I want this low. And I want this low. And I want this low. I want them. I want them all, man. I want them all. Come on. That's some stacked liquidity right there. And I'm seeing that we're about to take it. Gimme, 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 gimme. Alright, come on. Come on. Print us some candles, man. Let that price open, yeah. Yeah, but I'm not letting that stop. Oh, you see that right there? I'm not letting that stop. Fuck that liquidity sweep, man. Fuck that liquidity sweep. I don't give a fuck about the liquidity sweep. Fuck that shit, dude. God, nah. Fuck that shit. Give me, yeah, I already saw that. Nice. Give me that. Give me a retracement. Give me a retracement, please. Please. I beg of you. Dun 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 dun. For value got build. This would be like the most impulsive. If I actually took this, it would genuinely be the most impulsive trade ever, I feel like. But I mean, this is like the trend I've been seeing. Where market goes when market opens, market goes. Market wants this low. And I thought it wanted that high, but it doesn't care about that high. It does not care about this high right there. I'm gonna speed run this back test right here, and we're about to take max take profits. Watch this. Let it print. Come on. Send it low. Send it lower. How do I get a magnet on this thing, man? Shit, whoa. Can I search? Objects, yeah. Come on. Yeah. Shoot, no, wrong way. Oh, man. And we're cooked. We're cooked. I'm so tired, dude. Like, by the time it's been an hour of me doing this. And by the time we get here, I'm just like, in the day, woke up, went on a run. It doesn't, I mean, I guess cold shower. It doesn't have to be cold, it just can't be warm. Um, um, went to school, traded the fucking news, so didn't even trade. Came home, ate, went to the gym. The gym, like, literally took everything out of me. Ate a bunch of food. So much food. And now we're here. Now we're here. It's so cold, man. To get some better posture going. Let's get better posture. Let's sit up. Let's do some. Let's take. I've been sitting here for an hour. It's probably a good time to take a break. Come back, recollect myself. What should I do for my break? I don't know. It has to be no cardio. I high-key don't want to meditate. I did that earlier and it just made me more tired. I think our only option is we're going to take 3 deep breaths and then we're going to get back to it. I actually have an addiction to females, dude. It's fucking awful. Like, it's an issue, dude. It's an issue. Like, I don't know why. Okay, well, let's think about it. I feel like this is something I'm not supposed to talk about, but like, I just genuinely am addicted to females. It's not even like I haven't even jerked off in like a week or two. I mean, if we're being honest, like I want to, but like I'm not gonna. Just cause I mean I'm not. I told myself I'm not a person who does that, so I'm just not going to. Simple as that. Um, but like genuinely, it's like they're fucking magnets, dude. Like my eyes, they have aim assist, and it's just like sexualized, and I'm like, stop. Or there's this one girl who walked by. I knew she had a big butt, and I didn't look, and I was like proud of myself, and I think that's sad. Like I shouldn't even I shouldn't even have thought of looking. Like I don't know, dude. I don't get it. It's like I just want to talk to literally every female. Like literally like okay, not the chuds. I don't want to talk to the chuds if we're being honest. But dude, it's like a flipping addiction, and all they do is hold me back right now. Straight, hold me back. All right, I'm gonna move my chair. Let's say crisscross applesauce with perfect posture on that wall. We're gonna focus on our breaths. We're gonna take 3 deep breaths. Then we're gonna come back. I'm looking at this trade because it just freaked me over. And we'll be back in about 25 seconds. Let's go. Oh, I didn't think about no ass, no tits. I thought about straight charts, straight candlesticks printing. Let's scale down to the 1 minute. Let's go to a random bar and let's get started. We're gonna be here for another hour and 15 minutes of straight back testing. Why does it look like that, dude? I'm gonna try restarting it real quick. Plan for the long term. Shit, long term. I didn't know where I was gonna go with that. That's it. All right, come on. Boom. Give it. Nope. 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 Stop. I got scared. Okay. Come on. Better. I want to work on my posture a little bit. Better posture. Is that good? Can you hear me good? Is this better? Is this better? I wonder how loud that is. All right. 1 minute replay. Start new. Random bar. Yo, what happened at 1654? On Wednesday, 14th of January, what happened at 1654? Yikes. Looks like some type of news came out that day. Man. Alright, let's look. January. This year? Yeah. Whoa, I did something. Does it say, wait a second. This was like literally a week ago, dude. Okay, wait. Unemployment claims in the morning. I mean, PPI. cooked. Let's see. I didn't even check the month. I have an idea. Boom. September 20th. September 3rd. Gosh, man. Why is it gotta come out at 10? 2. 10 as 10 2 as an also. Man. Give me something. Wednesday, 22nd of October. What time is this? So instead of Wednesday 22nd, we're going to Wednesday 23rd because we need the next day. Da da da. And perfect. Nice. That's what we like. That's what I like to see, man. That's what I like to see. Ooh. Why are we dropping off like that? Or was that just a liquidity sweep of doom? Liquidity sweep of doom. 12. Oh, we got a while to go. And I'm passing it. I'm getting excited, man. Come on. Give it. Give me. One more. No, I went too far. Did I? Yeah, no. I'm not looking. Just look for it. I looked. I looked. It's fine. Go back. So Marcus gonna instantly come up to the upside. Dang it. That was probably loud. I feel like I'm looking over here at my freaking. Is that? I wonder if that's moving it. Is that? Whoa. What's that black look like, man? Put that back. No, I'm trying to click on me. Carter, you're distracted. Holy awful cancel tilt. Straight negative. Let's tone it down. What looks long? A little bit big, yeah. Probably right about there. Yeah. Come on, let's have some good posture. Let's get into it. Put this chair straight up. I wish I had socks on. My feet are cold. It's irrelevant because it has nothing to do with trading. Straight bum, dude. I'm straight bum right now. Come on. I need 190 lean and a high K by the end of the year. Boom. We're about to snatch that, man. Or are we going low? We're going low. Ooh, we're going low. We are going low. We are taking this low right here. Give me it, man. We are taking, I promise you, we are taking this low. Because you know what I'm seeing right here? Quick move down, quick move up, consolidation, quick move down, consolidation, and then quick move down. And then we want these lows. And like, is this all-time highs? Probably. Oh, we're looking at the 1 hour. Nah, I lied. We don't want that. Shoot, we don't want that either. Never mind. I'm tripping. We might want this. Price is bearish. And move. Okay. Price is bearish. It's the 23rd. I think I already looked at news, right? Yep. No news. That's good. I'm gonna close out of this on the side so I can't see myself because I feel like it's distracting me. All right, I need a daily bias. Bearish. We're seeing it move down. Looks like we came into equilibrium for sure. I mean, I see no reason why this wouldn't keep going lower. I mean, if anything, like, move up and move down, we take that high right there, and then I mean, that's really the only high we need, man. It's an hourly high right there. We take that, then we can take this, but like, we don't, that's right there. We don't even want that. We want this. And I mean, let's see what happens. I'm feeling hella parched. After this trade, I'm gonna go get some water. I'm not even like close. Now we're close. I told you we want that high. I told you we wanted that high. What did I tell you? And now we're gonna reverse, and we're gonna take this low right here. You want to see this? You want? Let's watch it. Let's watch it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's go. Yeah, market opens. We take that. All right. Now, are we seeing any like 5 minute? Okay, give me 5. I didn't want to see that. I did not want to see that. That's all right. Although I didn't want to see that, that's what happened, man. So new plan. We want this high and we're going lower. We want this high and we're going lower. Or we're going to see what happens every single other time, I feel like. And what really happened is we didn't come near that high. I had that high marked and I unmarked it like a dingus did. And we just took like drawn liquidity from literally 5 minutes before. And then we get our retracement into this fair value gap. And then price goes and we push high and we push and we respect like both of these. Literally didn't even inverse this one. We respected them both. Price push higher. We broke structure right here. We also tapped into equilibrium. So we tapped into equilibrium. We filled a fair value gap, and we broke structure. All to the upside right before market opens. And then we see market open. Right here. And it already looks like we're going up. And you know why we're going up? Because we want those highs, man. And I feel like I just did all that for a whole lot of nothing. Like, what was even the point of me doing that? Because I'm trying to tell what happened. But in reality, we're about to take this high and come right back down. And I know it. The market knows it. And did I marry my bias? I guess so. Because we're not coming down at all. God. Inverse 5 minute for like 15-minute equilibrium probably too. I bet you. Yeah, respected. And then now we're gonna come up. We're gonna take another high. Yeah, because that could be a nice little entry with a little consolidation after, but it doesn't matter because I can tell we want that high. And we inverse this. This would be our entry right there. Take profit right there. We came below. Probably this for a value gap. We would validate it. And then we want that. And boom. That's how we could have taken a nice little trade on this, but why am I literally wrong about where the market goes every single time? Consistently wrong about where it's gonna go. Like making these connections in my head has never been something I'm good at, but it's something I can improve at. Trade with the market, not against the market. Trade with the market. Are we trading with the market? I don't think we're trading with the market. We're trying to trade with the market and it keeps on flipping on us, dude. But I'm not even seeing like a liquidity sweep. Like, what's going on here, man? No liquidity sweep. We just go. We just go. What time is it here? 1 o'clock. 1:35. Should really be like 12:40 for me. Oh. I don't know. I know I said I was gonna get water and I'm still thirsty, but I want to do another. I didn't mean to do that. Wait, shoot. I forgot that I had that. Does this one do something? This one? This one? This is my edit button. Oh, whoa. Russell. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, stop. Uh, uh, stop. Okay, one of these buttons is an auto clicker, but which one is it? I found it. Did I? Okay, wait, I'm about to click, I'm about to hit it and then go to notifications. Okay, okay. I found out which one it is. So we're not gonna hit that button. I was really hoping whenever I said permanently delete, it wasn't going to delete all these and that the other one was at, and I'm so glad that it is. My candlesticks are darker again. I can tell. I kind of liked them lighter. I kind of got used to it, I guess. Yeah. I kind of like it. I think now is a good time to get water, though. Man, I thought there was nothing there. I need water, but I can't look away. No. Select water. Actually, it's alright. That's fine. I don't really care, I guess. Alright, we're feeling way less parched. We clearly just filled this gap, and I mean, we're gonna go higher, right? Yeah. We're in a clear downtrend. We just filled this gap. Are we gonna go higher? Or are we gonna go lower? We're gonna keep on going to this downtrend, or are we gonna? I mean, we closed below this. This is new day open. Yeah. These are new day candles. I don't know too much on new day candles, but I know that it's an imbalance and we have to fill it. So I'm gonna treat it like a fair value gap and assume that. I mean, I meant to choose that, but like, I'm gonna assume that because we closed below this, we inversed it, and that's showing us we really want to go lower. I'm also seeing a doji right here, and I don't know what time. Oh my god, 55 minutes into market open. Holy cow, dude. Okay, but oh, that looks so nice too. Cause that looks like we filled it and then we came back. It gave us a retracement right here into equilibrium, and then it also filled a. It didn't fill a fair value gap, but out of that, I bet you we broke after we filled equilibrium right here. We would have respected and then broke structure to the downside, and then even if we want more confirmation after breaking structure, we filled this fair value gap right here, and that's like screaming at us that price is gonna go lower. So I mean, let's just take it off of right there, and then I mean, shoot, we at least want here. I low-key forgot to check about take profits. My fault. Let's go right there. Like in hindsight, this is so easy to see. It's almost if we inverse that, we're cooked. And then I bet you price hits take profit off of that. Because, like, it just is, you know? It just is. See, I knew it, man. And then, really, if we're gonna keep on going lower, like, we probably want this low. We probably want that low. Like, realistically, I mean, come on. Or we're gonna go to this low and we're gonna be an idiot and not go lower. Okay, so we're being an idiot and not going lower. Got it. But I mean, like, yeah, see, I can look back and tell what's going on, but like, I got a little spoiler. Am I even like? The weird thing is, I don't even know if I'm studying this right, man. I don't even know if this is what like. Freaking paradox, dude. Freaking God. Price gonna go up? Is price gonna go down? Am I looking at the right confluences? Am I looking at the wrong confluences? Listen to price. Let it read me its story, yo. Let it tell me about the economy. Alright. On this next one, I'm just gonna feel it. We're not gonna mark out anything. I'm just gonna feel it. Like, and I'm gonna set it to like the little unpause button. And I'm just gonna feel it. Like, just give me a random bar where I can scale down. God, man. Don't listen. Unfortunate. Ooh, little gap right there. Man. Little highs right here, but let's just like. Yeah, I bet you we're gonna fill that gap. before it gets to me. What's happening on the 1 hour here? Um, did I miss a day? No, I didn't. Okay, so price just took out those highs. We're going low. We have lows down here to take, but I'm just gonna say fuck it. I'm gonna say fuck it, and we're gonna go to right here. Don't go too quick for me now. And we're just gonna feel this thing out, man. We're gonna put it on, I guess, 1 UPD per 5 seconds. And we're gonna put on, yeah, 1 UPD per 10 seconds, I guess. And we're just gonna let it play. I'm not even gonna check if there was news on November 3rd. Alright, so we're in a downtrend right now. And maybe it's a little slow. So we're in a downtrend right now. And what price is doing is... well, it looks like right now we're just going lower. I mean, market just open. Not too much crazy volatility. Looks like we're gonna take out this low right here. Does that happen? Let's mark this so we know where it's at over here. I mean, I think it's gonna happen. Yeah, we're coming up. We're about to fill all this. Yeah, see that quick move down, quick move right back up, right to here, I bet you. Or like, at least right there. Right there, yeah. Yeah, now we're going back lower. Because we just respected that fair value gap. We retested it. And now we inversed it. So right off market open, we're going higher. Broke structure on the 1 minute to the upside. On the 5 minute, we're seeing a down candle being formed. Yeah, we didn't come into equilibrium or anything. We do have a big fair value gap right here. That's an opportunity for a retracement. And did we come into equilibrium right here? It speeds up real quick on the 5 minute. Like, I don't like that. Whenever I scale up, how much, like, I want to leave it on this. And, like, can I go to the 5 minute and put it on the 1? I can. Sweet. Okay, but now do I need to leave it like that? Like, if I go to this and I go here, no, it'll stay. All right, sweet. Okay. I can't even tell what the hell's going on there, man. Get this out of my face, dude. see an opportunity here, and the high that I'd want would be up here, but I feel like with all this imbalance, like I don't know how comfortable I feel. Like I can't just expect market since it just came down quickly here. I'm seeing a whole lot of like gibberish right here, and a whole lot of gibberish right here. That it's just gonna go like that, because this went like this, and this is like this to this. Boom. New strategy, aka the Carter confluence. I call this like one and like two. And um I want to see a retracement here though. Preferably into this fair value gap, but um we're not breaking structure. We are tapping into equilibrium, coming out of equilibrium. That's real good. And then, I mean, really, yeah, we just respect equilibrium. We inverse this and we're going higher. Trade buy, take profits right up here, confirm stop loss. Okay, right there. I don't even know what the risk reward on this is. Looks pretty fucking awful, I guess. So no preparation trade. Let's see. How's this go? Let's speed it up. Okay. Can we expect, since we over here, I have to use my freaking mouse. Over here, what I notice is like we don't really have like that big and swift of a move up. So this could be our big swift move up, because this was our big swift move down. That, I mean, could be a possibility. And that's not what I like to see, but we didn't break structure. That's really good. Price is moving kind of slow, but I have it slow. But like what I meant by that is it isn't just like booming. It's kind of a whole bunch of retraces, but it's still making higher highs and higher lows. Like we're in an uptrend for sure. So it's almost, I mean, we inverse this, but then we have this fair value gap all the way up here, and then we also have this one way up here. I mean, like, really, realistically, I feel a lot more comfortable with this here, but I'm going to leave it on my draw on liquidity for now. Yeah, this could for sure just be a nice little retracement, still not breaking structure. And we're on the 5 minute, so let's just speed it up a little bit. Whoa. I don't know what that just told me, but alright. See, now price is like, You know what I'm seeing in hindsight? And it looks like clear as day, dude. Liquidity sweep. Move down. Retrace. Fill. Move down. What do we take that too? I bet so. Yeah. Do we take? Yeah, we were gonna take that. Yeah. Um, I mean, like, yeah, like in hindsight, I guess it's clear as day, but like, so we took the liquidity at 8:30, and then when market opened, we market opened, and we instantly went up. And instead of continuing higher, we filled this, and we came right back down. And yeah, man, it's cold, dude. I'm just cold. I'm about to grab my blanket, but like I don't want to get too comfortable. Oh, my knees. Oh, that was my ankle. That was my other one. Oh. Even the blanket's cold, dude. Come on. Let's do it again. Let's go down to the 1 minute. And oh boy, let's look at our trading panel. I need that to move down there. There we go. Let's see. List of trades. Why is there nothing here? Literally taking like 30 of them, dude. Oh, is that why? Is this like my real? Like, I thought this was, yeah. I don't know, man. Is it time for something new for a little NQ? I suppose so. Alright, come on. Lock it in. We're at the 1 minute. Scale up 1 hour. Boom, 8 o'clock. I wish there was just like, yeah, like I can't go forward. To get rid of that. Going 1 minute at a time. I'm skipping a day, aren't I? Okay. Alright, come on, man. The 6th of October. Am I an idiot? Oh, that's December. Yeah, I am. Okay. I'll leave that there in case we want to come back. So let's just look at what's happening right now. We saw a liquidity sweep right here, and then we're going higher. Um, it's looking like price wants to still keep moving up. I see no take. How do you trade at all-time highs? Like, what's our draw to the upside? Like, can we only, like, how do we even trade to the upside? If we're at all-time highs, can we only trade to the downside? I mean, like, how's that work? Why am I? The later it gets, the more my eyes water, and like, maybe that's just because they want to be shut. It definitely. I mean, I won't say anything yet. Let's look. We're at about 8:59. Give me a minute. Go to 9. Actually, go back a minute. I want to mark two things. I want this. I want this. Ah, that's liquidity sweep. We just swept liquidity. Alright. Here's what I want to see. We swept liquidity here. I want to see us come out bullish. And I want to see a retracement. And I think that I'm gaslighting myself in line. And I don't know what I want to hear because I don't know if like all-time highs are a really strong draw liquidity. I'm assuming so. It's like whenever you don't yawn, it's like I don't know, dude. Just lock in, man. So I mean, it does look like price is going lower right here, but we could definitely just be sweeping this and going higher. Um, let's let price develop a little bit. Give it like a little nudge. What the hell just happened? That bitch was bullish and then went bearish, and then now we're in the middle. Um, like from that, I don't even know what to make of that. Like, that's like 30 different retracements. We're just gonna have to take out the low. Like, I mean, it looks like we're about to snatch it. Yeah. We took out all these lows. I mean, that can really be a swipe of liquidity into something. Um, that scale up is gonna stay on a minute. Yeah, it is. Nice. Okay. Yeah, I mean, we still have liquidity here. This price, let's see if it's gonna keep going lower. Or if we see any confirmation to the upside, any switch in, okay. Yeah, okay. we get a little bit of a fair value gap right there. A little tiny fair value gap. And we broke structure on the 1 minute. But this for 100% sure can very easily be a retracement on this. I mean, until I know it's not, because we don't really have, like, I guess here's our draw on liquidity, but we are up and down so much, there's no saying, like, that did anything. So, I feel like we can either say that we took out these lows, but if we took out these lows, then I'm gonna need to see. We broke structure on the 1 minute. I'm gonna need to see this. I'd want to see, like, for real, this inverse. But by the time we get up there, by the time we would inverse this, that's not too bad, honestly. That's not bad at all. I want to see this. If this 5 minute gets inversed, then we're long. Or we might not even come near that 5 minute. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, that looks like it's about to go lower. Yeah. For sure, take out this low, even come down, take out this low. I mean, really, if we saw this get respected, even we could short it. But also, we have another, like, yeah, no, we aren't gonna come there. I mean, there's no saying that we don't, but, like, that's very bearish. That I like that. That's really bearish. So, where is it? It feels bearish, and we took that low though. We could always respect this and just be coming into equilibrium, is what I mean. Right there, if we respect that. Let's see, this is a 5 minute. Oh, we respect it. Seemingly. But we also just perfectly filled all those. Um, yeah, like, wait, pause. I'm giving you one more candle, then pause. Yeah, so if we inverse this, then after seeing that get respected, I'm thinking one of two things is gonna happen. We're gonna see this high get pushed above. We're gonna inverse this and we're gonna wanna go high. Or we're going to respect this. See this? Get closed below. And then I guess, shit, right there. And then we'd want to see that if we came above this high, we're cooked. So, like right about there. So, I mean, if we inverse this, I think we're gonna go low. If we come above this, I think we're gonna go high. But I think from how market was looking, we want to go low. But like, who's to say? I suppose we also are only on the 1 minute. Let's look at this. Yeah, we are. Yeah, 5 minute fair value gap, but right there. So it's all about if we inverse it or respect it. Give me one more. Is that candle closed though? Like, I don't even for real know. We are. We're like right on the line, dude. What's gonna happen? Are we gonna close below it or are we gonna respect it? Oh my god. Okay. It looks like we're gonna respect it, but are we gonna come above this? Are we gonna inverse this? That's the question now. We have this range. Whichever side of this range it goes, like I guess that determines where price is gonna go for like the day. But is that like a stupid way to think about it or no? Jesus, dude. Are we serious? Come on. You're playing with me. Like literally playing with me. Okay. That's chill. Um Ooh, that would be a good like take profit instead. I can for sure see that. And you see what I'm saying there? Where it hit this but didn't actually go higher. And then I mean, yeah, like if we would have this here, it would take that, but I want that high. Come on. Yes. Um my thought process worked. If we broke above, we inversed that, and we went high, man. Um, okay. Time is it? 8:40. I think we have time for at least one more. I think I'll do one more. And then I'll go take my magnesium, I'll put my glasses on, and then I'll get ready for, I'll pick out my, or I'll before I put my glasses on, I'll pick out my clothes for tomorrow. Then I'll put my glasses on, and then we'll get ready for bed, man. Let's go. Let's get one more done though. But that was good. I like that. Let's go down to the 1 minute. Random bar. Where? The 27th of November. Nice. No news. Sweet. I got scared it was gonna print one more. So, but I can see right here some terrible, terrible price action. um, I don't even know what the hell is going on here. Um, looks like we respected a fair value gap. Um, so we just took out this high, and we didn't really see a big reaction off of it, or it doesn't look like it. So either big daddies are about to enter the market and take this shit, and we're gonna go low. But I mean, at the same time, like, um, shit. All right, we are going up here, but we're bearish right now. And if we keep going up, we're gonna have to really make this thing move, because we're gonna have to get up. Like, we already took out this high, we're gonna have to get all the way up here. This would be like our first draw on liquidity, or if we feel like an hourly imbalance right here, but that's like grasping at hopes and dreams, I feel like. We do, I mean, we see a move down and a move up, and then, like, yes, we have a high right here, we have a low right here, we have we have lots of highs right here, lots of hourly highs. Actually, I like that. We have lots of hourly highs. We can for sure come up and take all of those. That seems very likely. And yeah, I mean, move down and move up. Low right here. Yeah. And I mean, I feel like we can even use, maybe, if we take out these lows or enter into, is there a way to get rid of this dotted line? Wait a second. Ranges? Shoot. Trend line though. Sweet. Is that a part of it? No, it's not. Okay, nice. Okay. So what are these boxes and lines? This is stacked liquidity. This is our most recent low. This is our most recent like drawn liquidity really. This is hourly equilibrium that we can enter into, fill prices to come take these highs. And let's scale down and see what the market wants to give us, man. Let's see what it wants to give us. Yeah, that for sure does look like a liquidity sweep right there off of that. But we're also on the 1 minute. And yeah, that can still be a liquidity sweep, but I feel like we gotta see how it develops. Give it I like that it's staying on the 1 minute, but I'm gonna need a little bit. Please don't spoil it. Okay, that's chill. That's chill. Okay. Let's examine what's happening. Okay. Okay, so what's going on here? We have price just made a U. We started right here, we ended right back up right here. So what changed? We didn't take this low. If anything, we would have just like entered into some type of range there. I mean, we for sure could have. I'm coming up with a whole bunch of fucking gibberish, dude. What matters? What matters here? Alright? I'm not seeing I'm seeing a whole lot of nothing. I think we just let it keep going for right now. So let it keep printing. Speed it up a little bit. I'll pause if I need to. That's good. There we go. Nice. Okay. Alright. I like that. We just took out this low. I really like that. Now we have one of two choices. We're going to respect this equilibrium. We have hella fair value gaps right here. We can either respect this and go lower, or we can inverse this top one. I'd want to see that'd be like our break of structure, and then I mean I'd want to liquidity sweep, break of structure. I want to see like a continuation, and then I think I'd call it solid, really. Okay, we for sure hit equilibrium, like to the downside, I mean. And then right now we're respecting that. For sure respecting it. Now we inversed it. So I mean we're seeing we respect I mean like seriously, I'm a fucking idiot. God. Because why am I waiting for this to get closed above? If we make a new high here, or even we make a new high right here and we close above it, like where we could have got I mean, it would have been much better, but we could have got a better entry whenever we saw this get closed above because we already came into equilibrium and then we broke structure to the upside on bearish equilibrium. So the odds of price going back down, I don't think are that likely. So I think we're going to go up from here. And would this have been a better entry? Yeah, but is that going to stop us? No. And if we come below this low, it's invalid, and I at least want this high. And what's the risk reward on this? I don't think it's bad. Yeah. Wait, I like that. Put it in like 3 times speed though. That just makes it look cooler. Whoa. Are we gonna take more highs or nah? It looks like we're going for them. Are we gonna? Do we want this one? Yeah, it's only natural to see a retracement. It looks like we want it. Do we want? Do we want this? How bad? How bad do we want it? Do we want it bad enough? Mm, I don't think so. Oh, whoa. Oh, this is like forever in the future. But it went. It. I mean, honestly, I got a little bit scared here, but yeah, it ended up working. And that's what we like to see. 8:52. I think it's a good time to call it. Um. Whoa. I'll just move that right there and then open this up. Yeah. All right. Good night. Be back hopefully tomorrow. I know I work tomorrow. So, yeah. 2 hours, 16 minutes. Wow. Adios.